Lumabas kami the other week, right?
Like last week.
Last week. So lumabas kami with the other classmates. So tuwa ako sa kanya kasi siya yung hinahangaan namin kasi galing mag-adal nito. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa inyo na walang imposible. Siya yung aking example. So my very best example. And hindi niya nakwento sa inyo. Travel nurse yan, onco nurse, and at the same time, dialysis nurse. And
experiences na pwede kuhain nyo.
yeah, I'm convincing her, sabi ko sa kanya, Mamay, why not set up a center in LA? Because if I can teach, much more she can deliver kasi napakagaling nito. Sabi ko, mas marami siyang natutulungan doon. And Mama is contemplating to set up a center in LA or in Nevada. So, sana makonvince ko siya, marami siyang natutulungan doon.
Thank you, sir.
Okay? So, thank you again,
Thank you very
Mamay.
much.
And picture, please. Come on, join us. All of us.